Okay, here's a small parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help show the colours. There's doesn't appear to be a lot in there yet, but when I go a bit closer you'll start to see a bit better, I hope. Okay, as you can see there now, there is some colour amongst it. They're small pieces. Some have still got the clay on it, like this type material. If we keep tumbling it'll just wear it away. But, some of this it's got a black centre, a little bit of colour there on the outside, but it's not a good example I thought it was. But there's these small pieces here, like these are only small, but you might cut a small stone, and they are only small stones. See there, that piece there. There is colour, a bit of colour amongst it, but that is what it is. The price reflects it too. I think if you start looking through it, you'll find a few pieces that have got some colour. So each time you move the pieces, there's another piece popping up. Anyway, it is what it is. Price reflects it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.